This is Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can create the calendar event on this device. So first, order of business is to launch the calendar app, sign into your Google account if necessary, of course, then select the date that you would like to set an event for. So let's say I'll go with the 1st of May. Or I'll just select this date, then tap at the plus sign to your bottom right, choose an event option from the list, and fill out all the event details such as title, timeframes, repetitiveness, participants, link to the video conference, location, your reminding or notifications preferences. You can also set some color, write a brief description, or attach a file. Then save the event, and well, as you can see, here it is. By tap and edit, you can see its details, as well as edit those details by tapping at the pencil icon, or you can entirely delete an event by going for the delete option right over here. Alrighty, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.